Welcome to this quick tutorial on installing TensorFlow version 2.14 on macOS 13.5, also known as Ventura, specifically tailored for Apple Mac M chip users. I'll be skipping the downloading process and unnecessary steps to get you up and running with TensorFlow as swiftly as possible. First things first, we need to make sure you have Xcode command line tools installed. Open your terminal and enter the command below. Xcode-select, install. Don't worry if you see an error like command line tools are already installed. It means you're good to go. In my video, I've already installed Xcode command line tools before recording. Next up, we need Anaconda for the M chip version. You can download Anaconda from the link provided in the video description. Now, let's install TensorFlow dependencies using the following command in your terminal. Conda install C Apple TensorFlow-deps. This sets the stage for our TensorFlow installation. To keep things clean, we're creating a Conda environment. I did this using the command conda create n TensorFlow Python 3.11. This isolates our TensorFlow setup. Now we'll install TensorFlow itself and some plugins. Use these commands. Pip install TensorFlow-macos, pip install TensorFlow-metal. These are crucial for TensorFlow's performance on your Mac. As we prepare to test TensorFlow on your Mac M chip, we're going to install some essential packages. These packages are like tools in your toolbox, and while we're installing them for this demonstration, keep in mind that for your own projects, you'll install specific packages relevant to your needs. Now, let's add these packages to your environment. Conda install numpy, pandas, matplotlib, scikit-learn, scipy, plotly, jupyter. While we're installing this package bundle for demonstration purposes, remember that the beauty of Python and TensorFlow is the flexibility to tailor your environment to your unique project requirements. These packages are the building blocks of countless data science and machine learning projects. Let's proceed and see how TensorFlow performs with this toolkit at your disposal. If you encounter any issues during this process, please leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. In my session, I faced an error related to opening Python files in Jupyter Notebook. To resolve this, I ran conda install charday. Now, let's ensure TensorFlow is configured correctly on your Mac M chip. We've come a long way. Let's make sure everything's in place. Open a Python file and use this code. If you encounter an error regarding TensorFlow keras, version, simply import keras separately as shown. And there you have it. You've successfully configured TensorFlow on your Mac M chip machine. As you can see, TensorFlow version 2.14 is up and running on macOS Ventura, ready for your machine learning adventures. Feel free to leave comments or questions, and I'll be here to assist. Thanks for watching.